Hi, baby. Hi, guys. Welcome back to Glitter and Om. I am Annette if you are new here. Today is an exciting day. I have a new subscription box called the YES OH YAS Box. Yes. Sorry about my hair, it is still wet so it looks kind of dumb, but it will look better as it dries throughout this whole video. So this is the box. It is a new subscription box. Here's the deets. It is a monthly subscription. It is $14 US a month. They operate and ship out of Miami, Florida. And in this box, you get over $100 worth of full-size products, 3 to 7 in each box. It's varying, but full size. So delightful. I was approached as an influencer by YES OH YAS on Instagram, and I do have a discount code for you guys. I'll put it up on the screen right about here. It is NOTZA. I made some really bad jokes about that on my Facebook. You can probably imagine I went the pizza route, and I did. Insert screenshot here. So that code gets you 10% off of your first box. That code is just for you guys. I don't make anything off of it. This is not a sponsored video, but the code is kind of just like it's a treat for you and kind of a tracking system for them to see how many people are using my code. Now, the opinions on this box, although I do have a code, are completely my own. Like I said, I am not sponsored. I'm not working for this company. I'm not getting paid by this company. So if I don't like it, I will tell you. Now, I did a lot of digging into this box. I did some research so I could give you guys a pretty good idea of how they operate. I went through their Instagram. I went left, right, and center through their website. They are completely legit. I did come up with a few instances where I wanted to message customer service just to kind of test that out. And the 2 times I did, I got a response within 24 hours. And it was not an automated message. It was an actual person who emailed me back pretty promptly, accurately addressing my concern and my questions, and answered in full. And I am incredibly happy with the level of customer service that came behind this. They do send you a tracking email as soon as your stuff has been shipped. They ship daily every month, so as soon as all the payments go through, they start shipping out the boxes in order of payment processing. So, research and customer service done, and so far this box is getting 5 out of 5 potatoes. Let's open this box, shall we? So this is their box. They've got their own sticker on the front, the YES OH YAS box. It's super cute. In this month's box, this is February's box, there are 3 items, and I believe it is over $100 this box, and there's only 3 items. So the first thing we have is a Chaleur, I think that's how you say it, thermal enzyme heat powered renewal mask for all skin types. So it is high-end skincare. We like skincare here. This powerful age-proofing mask fights UVA, UVB, and infrared free radicals as it hydrates, energizes, and helps repair damaged skin. I am gonna try this out today. I think this is the first time I'm trying out skincare on my channel. It comes in a very pretty bottle. You take the top off, and then it's got a little pump, and then we just press this to get the mask out. So this will be the first thing that we try today. The next thing we have is Cherie Cosmetics. This is a liquid lip. This is the Unicarton, very cute, sleek black, and this is in the shade Chic Nude. This is some good sturdy packaging. It's a pale looking pink. We've got a little standard doe foot applicator. Goes on a little darker than it looks in the bottle, but is very nice. And the next and last thing we have is a crown palette. So in here we have the Nova Crown Palette. It comes in a slip cover, and it has the title here, and then we've got the whole layout of the palette on the back of the slip color cover. Pro Travel Face Palette. So this is gonna have everything you need in it. The mirror right here, you can see my camera, it says Bohemian Beauty. If it looks touched, it's because I've already kind of played around with it. We've got a dual-ended eyeliner pencil. We've got 3 lip colors, 2 cheek colors, a bronzer, highlight, and a whole whack of little eyeshadows. So I'm just gonna finger swatch some of my favorite shadows from this, the ones I'm most excited about. This one here, oh, they're so soft, is Celeste, and this one's kind of like shimmery opal. The next one that I am in love with, Luxor, and this one is kind of a metallic burgundy. And this is the one I think I want to play with today. I don't know what I'm doing yet, but I'm gonna try to work this in somehow. It's called Minx. It looks great, but it's got like a green peacock duochrome to it. So the one thing I am gonna do is I'm gonna just I'm not gonna touch this because I already know that personally I don't like crown liners. They are a little too hard for me. They're a little too dense. I'm gonna put this aside for somebody else. Let's move into the trying stuff. So I'm gonna start out with the skincare. So we are going to go in to the Thermalzyme Powered Renewal Mask. Oh my god. Pumped out. Whoa! So that is the gel. It smells really nice. It says apply liberally, so I'm just gonna smear this all over. It smells like something I used in school, like a Dermalogica product. It feels very cool. Put a bit more in my troubly areas around here. So it does feel a little tingly around here and up in here where I tend to need exfoliation the most because the enzyme's working. So I'm gonna leave this on for about 15 minutes and I will check back if anything weird happens. Otherwise, I will see you in 15. Okay, we're back. It has been a little over 20 minutes because I kind of got distracted. My face is pretty red, but that is because this is an enzyme mask. I've got a warm damp cloth here and I'm just going to wipe this off of my face. So the mask is off, my face is dry. The redness has gone down. Should say as a disclaimer, when you're trying new skincare, especially things like enzyme and peel, always do a patch test first. I just kind of throw this shit on my face because I am a skincare specialist. I am a medical esthetician. I went to school for this. So I'm used to literally just throwing shit on my face. And I know how to fix it if my face does react to something. So caution, people. This is supposed to hydrate, energize, and help repair any damage on the skin. I do feel super moisturized. There is hyaluronic acid in this, which is super hydrating. It feels so nice. My skin feels very soft. I do feel exfoliated, but also moisturized, which is awesome for an enzyme mask. So I'm gonna go tone and moisturize, which you should always do after any exfoliation or cleansing, by the way, and then we'll get to makeup. Okay, oh my god, my skin actually feels so nice right now. I'm gonna start this out by just priming with my NYX pore filler. All right, so my eyes are primed and set. I'm doing eyes first because I just cannot wait to get into this palette. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay down this color up here, this matte peachy shade called Primrose. I just realized I totally lied to you about what these colors were called. So this one, the first one I swatched for you, is actually called Cara. I was reading the names underneath, not on top, but they are on top. And then Zara is the red one, and the duochrome one is called Evangelica. So I'm thinking that I want to go into the red today. I'm gonna go into my Pro palette for a second here, and I'm going to take this brown shade as my first transition. Just gonna blend out the edges. So now I'm gonna go in with a wet packing brush right into the red here, Zara. I'm gonna get this, or try to get this, on the lid, all over the lid. This also is going on very nicely. I feel like Crown lately has just been killing it with their eyeshadows. So now I'm gonna take the Vasanti brush again, grab that blush color. Now I'm gonna go in with my finger and I'm going to tap into a bit of the Cara shade, the white one. I'm going to put this on the inner corners just to lighten that up a little bit. So I'm gonna take this tape off for now, get my brows and my face on, and we will come back and do more. Okay, let's finish up these eyes now that we've got a face base. I'm just gonna take an angled brush. I'm going to take that dark blush color here, and I'm going to run that. I'm just going to tight line this. I'm gonna take the exact same angled brush, and I'm gonna go into this bronze shade down here, and I'm gonna throw that just on the very outer corner. And then I'm gonna take a clean, fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend this. I'm gonna finish this off with some Steal a Huge Lash, get my eyes on. I'm all about the smoky eyes lately, oh my god. Get into the rest of the face. So I'm going to take my highlighting brush, and I'm gonna go into Adele, the light cheek color here. This is gonna be a build and blend color. So basically, because it's such a small pan, I'm just using my highlight brush to get the initial color on my face, and then I'm blending it out with a Crown Flat Bronzer brush. So I'm gonna use the same highlighting brush, and I'm gonna go into Serene, which is the bronze shade here. For the highlight, I'm going to use a very tiny Crown Lash Fan brush. Today we're using it for highlight. So this is a really subtle champagne highlight. Alrighty, so that is the face, the main face. So I'm just going to start by lining my lips with the Avon Natural Lip Liner, and this is just a rosy beige color. Now that we look really weird, the Chic Nude shade, this liquid lip from Shuri Cosmetics. From what I can tell on my hand, this does dry down. This smells good. It almost kind of feels like powdery, like it's like a satin finish, but let me see here. It did not transfer. So yay! So far, I think I love this box. If anything changes, I will be honest with you guys. I will update you guys. If I decide that it's no longer worth it for whatever reason, I want to make sure that you guys know. But if you do want to try out this box, again, I do have a 10% off your first box code, NOTZA, at checkout in the description. Let me know what you guys thought of this video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. If you did get the YES Oh YAS box, let me know in the comments what you thought of your box and what your experience with this company was. I'd love to get more feedback so that I can put more information in my next video. I've already gotten a sneak peek of what is in the March box, and it seems pretty exciting. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.